Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'm going to show you the type of power outlets or power plugs which are used in the Maldives. So what you're looking at is type G. You can see that two rectangular and then another rectangular, and you need to use a power adapter like this, and this is the similar type in the UK. So you have to just take it out and then you need to put it in, and then here you can put in your native adapter or native plug or USB or USB-C. Now Maldives also use type G, which looks very similar, but instead of rectangle they're round. So here's going to be one round, another round. But what I've seen that most of the places use G, and if you're going to in a private resort or hotels, many of them have a combined power outlet. For that you don't actually need anything, you can just put your USB and that's going to work just fine. But that's how the power outlets are in the Maldives, and they use 220 volt. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.